colours on it. I first of all changed the old looking halogen plain headlights and upgraded them with Audi RS7 style LED matrix headlights, and they look absolutely amazing. I then decided to add on some extra lighting into the car to give that car an absolute beautiful ambience, what we call LED ambient symphony lights. Now the interior looks absolutely beautiful. I then changed the old dashboard cluster and had to fit up a new cluster, which is what we call digital dashboard, and now the car looks futuristic. How a 2008 car looks like a 2024 car, absolutely incredible. Just look at the ambience of the interior, complete dashboard, full LED ambient lighting. It is an absolute vibe to be inside. Now it's time for the final upgrades.
Yes people, it's finally time to do the final upgrade on this car. I'm going to change this side here. It's like 6 AM in the morning, people. Don't ask me why I'm whispering. 6 AM in the morning. So let's get that changed. This is going to be the replacement. Look at that. That is just going to look perfect compared to the old one, the halogen light bulb. So we're going to go on after.
Just look at that, people. That is already killing the look already. All the brand new headlights, and then you have this like old yellow lights. Looks absolutely horrible. And then the other one doesn't even work. So that's why the upgrade is necessary. So let's get that done. Now, in order to do this job, you have to get on the floor. I recommend putting like a pad down so you don't damage your knees. And then you got to remove the front cover, which is quite simple. It's a pull and tug towards yourself. And then here's the underneath.
Now, there is a T20 Torx, so we're going to get that out as well, get that removed.
Now it's in a little bit of an awkward position, so you see how to angle myself. Make sure you get an extension socket as well, that way you'll be able to reach into that port and get that unclipped.
So it's like there's a clip that we have to undo in order to release this piece here. So I'm going to try and figure that one out. In fact, yeah, is that tab? No, it's not a tab. It's twist and release. I'm going to try that. People, look at that. How beautiful does that look? Absolutely gorgeous.
And look at that, people. For the side lights, that is just absolutely beautiful. Tell me that isn't an upgrade. Just tell me that isn't an upgrade. Because this is just pretty much perfection.
Got the lights in that fact. Zoom out.
Look at that. Oof, beautiful. And then you got the sequential indicators. You can turn the sequential on and off with this switch. If you want it on, make sure it's on the 0, and that will keep the sequentials running for the indicators. So yeah, but let me show you. Look at that, people. Absolutely gorgeous. See, look, if you want the sequentials off, just do this. You just want the standard one like this. What's the point of paying that money and not having sequentials? Come on. Look at that, people. Don't go anywhere. Perfection. Now I'm going to fit it up and do the other side. So let me just make sure, confirm the wiring. So look, if you want the that bulb in, you have to connect this. Everything is pretty much all there. So you have to connect this. You see that piece here? Connect that to your thingy, like your side light, and that will get the sequentials, the daytime running lights to be running. So yeah, that's how you got to do it. What I need to do is to disconnect everything, put it in that place and connect it all back. So let me do that. Also to mention, people, it's actually got a load resistor, so that means you won't get any lights in the dashboard for your lights, which is perfect. So that's what that box is there. It's even got a sticking back tape, which you basically put that in one of the sides inside the compartment inside there, so that way it doesn't smash around and it will keep it all in good shape. So let's get that fitted. Now for the final upgrades. I actually now wait to go to DKU Performance to go and fit the blower valve. This is to give the car a nice hiss whenever you put your foot down on the accelerator. Gives it a beautiful hissing sound, that turbo flutter sound. These are the guys that have done my exhausts for all my cars, from my Mercedes CLK, the BMW 1 Series. So go and check out those videos, top right, eye icon. And yeah, absolutely amazing guys, fully recommend them. So that, people, is the original recirculation valve. We're going to get a fitting. So now this is the new piece that is going in. So this is a performance blower valve. It's in such a difficult location, you have to get it up on a ramp in order to access it, so that way you can install it. So that's why I went down to these guys and did a top job, people. Did a top job. Look, it's just right over there if someone where my hand is. And now get ready to hear what it sounds like.
People, back again down at DKU Performance. Man like Lee, he sorted me out, man, as always, man. These guys, yeah, they know what they're doing. So if you need a new exhaust, people, you know where to go. Lee, bro, appreciate it, man. Really
subscribe to this guy.
Hey.
The daddy money.
People, I'll catch you later, man. Peace.
I later on give this car full detail clean, and which I'll show in a new video. But yes, people, every upgrade is now physically done onto this car, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It is a complete vibe and interior. Absolutely love to drive it. And yeah, I was actually on my way to do a head unit install for 2 customers same day, whilst doing the those upgrades as well recently as well. So yes, it was a very busy day, but I had to stay on it all the way to the end. Now here is some footage of what the car sounds like whilst driving it from the inside, and how it looks like at night.
Okay, it's time to let it rip.
People, the VW Scirocco is now going up for sale, so hit me up if you want to get this car ASAP before it's gone. Don't go anywhere. Peace.